You know, when I see people, the first question is, are you still at Shake and Bake? And I'm like, yes. In 1985, the doorman was just like the barber and bartender. People would stand there and tell me about their problems. I don't know if they felt sorry for me standing at the door by myself, but I would offer words of encouragement. Sometimes I wouldn't say anything, I would just listen. And I'm that way today. This facility being in the heart of a lot of crime and drug activity, it's always been a safe haven.
It's getting better. Now you can get it polished.
This is where I grew up. I can honestly say that. Yeah, I grew up in this facility. Most of the adult skaters, they used to say that I was mean, my facial expression. I told them, you know, you all come here for recreation, and I'm here to conduct business.
As long as my legs are working, I will be skating.
I probably average 4 hours sleep because I'm thinking about Wednesday night. I'm thinking about Thursday night. It's passion. Passion drives. The age of 23, I believe I was. A gentleman by the name of Charlie Harrison, whom I'll never forget. He was an outstanding basketball coach. And Charlie was frustrated because he did not want to be here. But knowing what I know today, Charlie Harrison's purpose for being here was to help me. I remember that I didn't show up for work. And the director at that time had been just so fed up with me, me and my pathetic behavior. She was going to terminate me. Charlie wound up taking me to a Narcotics Anonymous meeting. I don't know if I would have Shake and Bake saved my life.